Hello and welcome back to my channel Heavenly Delights. So last week I got a request from a customer who created her cake design using AI, and she wanted me to recreate this for her 40th birthday. This cake actually came with a little adventure. So while I was delivering it, the car in front of us suddenly stopped and my husband had to brake really hard. Unfortunately, the cake moved and got quite a bit damaged, especially at the back. But thankfully, my customer was so kind and understanding. And because it was a beach themed cake, she actually thought the slightly messy, sandy look suited the design. So I managed to fix it at the venue, and most importantly, she and her guests were really happy with the cake. So now let me show you how I made this. This cake took quite a while to make because there were lots of little handmade details, including several fondant decorations and a yacht that I made completely from scratch. Luckily though, some of the figurines were real toys, which made things so much easier. It was a 10-inch square dark chocolate mud cake filled with dark chocolate ganache and covered in Swiss meringue buttercream. I made the picnic rug and the beach hat all from fondant. This one I'm making now is a boat because her husband owns a yacht and he wanted a yacht figurine for her birthday. I couldn't find a toy that was the perfect size and look right, so I thought I'll just make it by hand from fondant. This yacht took quite a while to make because it has so many details, but I eventually got it done. I used the AI picture as a reference for the yacht, and they were really happy with how it turned out. With this yacht, I painted the details in silver, and I also wrote MP40 at the back of the motor because MP are the birthday girl's initials and she's turning 40. I think these little personalized details really make a difference, and I think customers really appreciate them. Here I'm making the wooden sign that says cheers to 40 amazing years. She also included this in her AI picture, so of course I had to recreate it. Here's the beach tote bag. I'm using yellow fondant and a rope silicone mold, and I'm putting the rope all around the bag so it looks like a rattan style handmade bag. I'm assembling the cake. As I mentioned, it's a 10-inch dark chocolate mud cake with dark chocolate ganache. I assembled 3 layers of cake, and I'm piping Swiss meringue buttercream around the edges because the whole cake will be covered in Swiss meringue buttercream. I did the first coat, which is the crumb coat, to catch all the crumbs and give me a nice base. I did the second coat using beige colored buttercream. I'm trying to get the surface as smooth as I can for this first coating, and I applied the buttercream to all sides. Once I covered all the sides with beige buttercream, I applied more buttercream, but this time with some texture. I didn't want it to be smooth because I wanted it to have that sandy beach look. Then I applied 3 different shades of blue from the darkest to the lightest all around the cake. I used my star piping tip to create a wave effect, and then I'm using my spatula to create some textures. So once I used my spatula to make the waves more abstract, I piped some white buttercream, just following the angles of the waves. I'm simply using a piping bag with the tip cut very small, just like this. And I don't want the waves to look too perfect because that's exactly what we're going for. And again, I'm using my spatula to blend the white buttercream into the blue waves. Then I sprayed some buttercream onto the cake board, which I then sprinkled with almond meal to create the sand. I love using almond flour or almond meal to create some sand because it looks really realistic, plus it's not sweet. Some people use brown sugar or crushed biscuits, but I prefer almond meal because it's finer and doesn't add extra sweetness to the cake. Now I'm putting all the decorations on top. I got this beach chair and beach umbrella online. They were perfect for the cake along with the palm trees. The rest I made by hand except for the dog and the number 40 candles. Then I sprinkled more sand on the top. And just like the AI pictures he sent me, there was some white birds flying across the sky, so I added those as well. I made the birds from fondant, along with all these shells and starfish, which I also made by hand using fondant. I placed the shells all around the cake and I added a few on top. I also added some little pearls that I painted with silver and ivory white pearl colors. And to finish it off, I added some tiny white sprinkles over the waves so they look more like real waves. I guess these extra details really make the difference. And there you have it, a beach themed cake for Putri's 40th birthday. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial helpful or if you enjoy following my cake decorating channel, please like and subscribe. I usually post a few times a week, so make sure you come back for more cake decorating tutorials. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time.